The 2014 Dodge Ram. We're going to be sharing with you guys some of the most common issue that. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is number one thing to definitely look out for is welcome back to my channel. This is my 4th gen Dodge Ram. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the top 5 most common things that pretty much wear out that top 5 issues I'll say pretty much you could get from this truck. It is a 2014 5.7 1500, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the things to look out for. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is number one thing to definitely look out for is that right there is your power. I believe these trucks don't have like the older trucks have. I believe these are all electrical power steering that they have, and that little piece right there, I believe it's part of the power steering rack and stuff like that, pretty much, or you can call it power steering rack, whatever. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna zoom in like right here. So me, pretty much, I know for a fact, I don't know if it's a thing for a Dodge truck or whatever, or recall, whatever, but they sometimes that right there cause your truck to have like stiff wheel, like steering wheel, pretty much almost like the wheel is locked pretty much when you turn off the car. So that could easily be replaced. It's not the whole power steering line or whatever, wherever that piece is called, but you know, I'll probably drop the name down, but it is a very easy fix. So it's that little piece right there that needs to be pretty much replaced. So you don't have to spend $2,000 to replace the whole thing. It's just a little piece that's like 250 bucks, I'll say, if you're having that issue of where your steering wheel is like pretty much stiff and you can't drive your vehicle. And the next thing I would like to share with you guys is, as you guys know for a fact, these trucks come with like the Goodyear or whatever tires you want to call them, but they for some reason I realized, I had this truck for about, I say 4 months now. For some reason, I don't know if it's specifically these trucks, but I know for a fact that these tires, I do need new tires, and I'm gonna be getting new tires, but I realized that these tires definitely wear out very, very quick. So that's another thing. I don't know if it's a... All right, y'all, as you guys can see, my audio decided to went out on me, so I'm gonna fill you guys in. So the second thing that I'm pointing out in this video is the upper control arm, which most of the time these are very, very easy to wear out, that needs to be replaced. It's not, it's not an expensive fix. It's an easy fix you could do yourself or take it to the shop. And the next thing I'm going to be pointing out is your seats. My seats I have, these are cloth, and that's another thing too. I don't know if it's a Dodge thing, but they tend to wear out a lot. If you know, like the older Dodge trucks or even some of the newer ones, from you dragging a lot, constantly going in and out of the vehicle, that could cause tear and wear pretty much on there, and they start to rip off easily and stuff like that. So I don't know when was the exact year that they started putting electrical power steering in these trucks, but you know, you can look that up yourself. I ain't about to do all of that, but yeah, but I know for a fact I've seen a bunch of issue about these truck power steering. Definitely wheel being very stiff. That's like the number one issue right there. I myself, I experienced this truck doing that before, and I did a video about that where it's like a temporary fix you can fix by yourself by putting some kind of WD-40 on there and then ordering yourself the parts. That's like $250, and all these things I've listed, these are all common issue about the 4th gen Dodge Ram or Dodge Ram in general, 1500. And these are things just for you to keep an eye out. It's not anything kind of crazy expensive or repair, but some of these things you could probably do yourself. But that's gonna be it, guys. Definitely leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.